Hey, Kathy, it's Mike Palanza. Uh, had a few minutes tonight and thought I would. Was having a hard time putting in words what I was trying to do, so I thought we could try maybe a short video. Anyways, what I was interested in is improving the learning curve as far as making sure that students on the first night understand understand the format of the course, although you would think, well, opinions aside, making sure they understand the format of the course as well as uh, how to navigate in Connect, which is our electronic book where all the assignments and come from. So, anyways, how I tried to do that was looking at this is my first night. Hello and welcome to Psychology 150. And I made this checklist. And what it basically did was it referred the student to, and I asked them to complete the thought that, well, let me, before I go do that. Uh, so what I did was, you know, I used the EV, the enrollment verification, as a way to drive the students through getting oriented to the course under the guise that there would be a quiz, the enrollment verification quiz, and they would need to complete this checklist before they uh, take the quiz. What really happened was they just skipped everything and went right to the quiz, got two on it, and figured that's all they had to do. So, anyways, I was hoping maybe you might have some ideas about how I can take what I've had in three or four documents and perhaps condensing it or making it more readable. But anyways, I'd use the checklist, okay, which is the first thing the student sees when they go into Blackboard, and it says before you start, complete the following, which is what we want to do on our page that you and I are working on. Uh, so, anyways, I just want to point out a couple quick things. Each item refers the student to a particular uh, part of the course. So, like you know, the course schedules, the uh, coursework, etc., collaborative, and how I did that. And so, now getting back to our mission, which is to make sure they understand the format and how to navigate and connect, I made two pages under in getting started for the bulk of the information. One, one is appropriately named one, and it talks about more, bigger, from a more global perspective, how we the format of the class. And then getting started number two was more about navigating in Connect. So obviously, whatever I did, it didn't work, and so I'm trying to seek assistance here from you with suggestions or knowledge of how I can do that. So those first two documents are key in their understanding. There was another document that I put in, which was like a fact, which I thought was good, which answered questions, but wasn't very effective because we had a lot of confusion again. Although I didn't really have, I had like three students that were confused. And I think that we're, like that idea we're talking about using the learning lab for the first week of class, first class to make sure that they understand will probably help those three students. But in the meantime, if we can build a better mousetrap, so to speak, then let's, by all means, let's do it. Uh, so that's the ins and outs. I'll send you a digital copy of the verbiage so that you don't have to retype it or anything. And hopefully we'll get on a ball. Looking forward to meeting you in person, Cathy. Thank you so much for being there and being a resource. Even if you take one look at this and say, Mike, I can't help you. I'm cool with it. Okay? Thanks again. Bye.